Mhla singama-25 kuNtulikazi, umengameli wezwe wethula inkulumo eyayichaza ngezinhlelo zikahulumeni zokuqeda izinselele zogesi kulelizwe. Kamuva nje, i-Eskom yaphoqeka ukuqala isigaba sesithupha sokucisha konga ugesi kulandela ukuthwala kanzima kwamaziko ayo okuphehla ugesi.
As part of addressing the shortage of megawatts, Eskom will now also purchase additional energy from existing private generators such as mines, paper mills, shopping centers and other private entities that have surplus power.
Imayini Northern Platinum kuleli sonto memezele ukukhuphula umthamo wamandla agesese ayo. Isigaba sayo sokuqala salolu hlelo lwamandla kagesi angama-megawatt angama-20 sizophothulwa ngasekupheleni konyaka ozayo. Amanye amandla ogesi angu-4 megawatts azophehlwa lapha azothengiselwa i-Eskom.
We have generators, it's about 2 of them, rated at a total of 3.6 megawatts. Those generators are predominantly for load curtailment. So whenever Eskom declares load curtailment, we basically switch on our generators and then supply into the grid, depending on the load curtailment stage that Eskom had declared.
Untshopesang uthi okwamanje basizwe ama-generator ukuqhubeka nokusebenza ngesikhathi kunohlelo lokucisha konga ugesi.
Once we have our own 20 megawatt plant, what it basically means is that we can produce our own 20 megawatt, feed it into the grid. By so doing, we reduce 20 megawatt from Eskom.
Uhulumeni ufuna nokuthi abakhiqizi bogesi abawuthengisayo nalabo abawusebenzisayo emizini yabo bawuthengisele i-Eskom. Lapha kufaka leyo mizi ephehla ugesi ngohlelo lwemisebe yelanga.